Welcome back. You're watching the second match here in the best of three quarter-final series. Jonathan Grant won the first match. Scores are Jonathan Grant high on 4 points. Dinthill Technical High ahead on 6 points. You'll have noticed an adjustment to the scores. So Jonathan Grant picked up a point for the answer given to the physics question about the main type of energy transformation taking place when an LPG stove is producing a constant flame. They said chemical to thermal, which is indeed the same as stored chemical energy to heat. But then they lost a point for the literature question about the book, A Handful of Dust. They said Evelyn Waugh, and it's Evelyn Waugh, actually. She is English. And then they also lost a point for the sport question about Vitinha, the footballer. His name is Victor Machado Vitinha, sometimes can be confused with other Marcuses. And with that, it's time to get into the speed challenge in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Jonathan Grant High, you were sent in to bat first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, Sanballat criticized Nehemiah's rebuilding of the walls of which city?
Jericho.
No, Jerusalem. The lateral epicondyle is a bony prominence on which specific part of the body?
The radius.
No, the elbow. Spell indictment.
INDICTMENT.
Good. According to the Jamaican Constitution, what is the maximum number of senators who can be in the cabinet?
21.
Sorry?
21.
No, 4. Who is the second in line to the throne in the British monarchy?
Prince George.
Yes. What is the de facto capital of the small island nation Nauru?
Melchiok.
No, Yaren. The double bass belongs to which family of musical instruments? Yes. In the is the pH of healthy human saliva 6.1, 6.7, or 8.4?
7.1.
No, 6.7. No. What is 876.493 rounded to the nearest hundred?
1760.
No, 900. How many nominations has the film Marty Supreme received for an Oscar?
10.
9. 9, actually, but well done, Jonathan Grant, there for your first minute. Dinthill Technical, we're coming over to you now. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, what was the name of the Ammonite who ridiculed Nehemiah for rebuilding the walls of Jerusalem?
Sanballat.
No, Tobiah. What is the scientific name of the big toe in humans?
Hallux.
Yes, spell psychic.
PSYCHIC.
Good. According to the Jamaican Constitution, what is Jamaica's final court of appeal?
Privy Council.
Yes. What is the first name of the first child of Britain's Prince Harry and his wife Meghan?
First child?
First name. William.
Archie. What is the capital of Pulau?
Andrew Mod.
Sorry?
Andrew Mod.
And Rule Muth. Judges, the bassoon belongs to which family of musical instruments?
Woodwind.
Yes. Is the pH of blood in a healthy human adult 6.5, 7.4, or 8.4?
7.4.
Yes. What is 9.0145 rounded off to the nearest thousandth?
9.015.
Yes. How many nominations has the film The Secret Agent received for an Oscar at the 2026 awards? Yes. Which country today includes much of what was known as the Weimar Republic?
Country.
Russia.
No answer came. It is actually Germany. But well done, Dinthill, for your first minute. Jonathan Grant, we're coming over to you now. It's time for your second minute. The former nation of Prussia is now divided among 3 countries, namely Russia, Germany, and which other?
Iran.
Poland. By what margin did the West Indies defeat England in their group stage match in the ICC T20 Men's Cricket World Cup in February 2026?
30 runs.
Yes. What is the name for the type of motion in which an object executes repetitive excursions about an equilibrium position? Yes, or oscillation. Translate this question to English. Viste la película?
I do not know.
Sorry?
I do not know.
No. Did you watch the movie or film? Which English writer wrote the novel Frankenstein?
Mary Shelley.
Yes, according to the Jamaican folk song, at the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, which man accom?
Duppy.
Man. In the Bible, what physical sign did God establish as the covenant between himself and Abraham?
Rainbow.
No, circumcision. Which cellular transport process brings materials into the cell by forming membrane-bound vesicles?
Phagocytosis.
Endocytosis. What is the young of a goose called?
Fawn.
No, it's a gosling. It's a gosling. Well done, though, Jonathan Grant, for your second minute. Dinthill Technical, coming back over to you now for your second minute. Italy won its first T20 World Cup cricket match in February 2026. Which country did they defeat?
Nepal.
Yes, what is the name for the phenomenon in which a vibrating system induces vibration in another system to which it is physically
Reverberation.
coupled? Resonance. Translate this question to English. Vas a la iglesia?
Are you coming to church?
Are you going to church? Which America wrote the novel The Scarlet Letter?
Nathaniel Hawthorne.
Nathaniel Hawthorne.
That's right. According to the Jamaican folk song, the only thing for me is served in the morning. What is it?
Cup of tea. Coffee tea.
Coffee. In the Bible's New Testament, which Old Testament figure is presented as both king and priest and a type of Christ?
Pass.
Melchizedek, during cell division, which structure on a chromosome serves as the attachment site for spindle fibers?
Centromere. Centromere.
No, kinetochore. What is the young of a donkey called?
Donkey.
Alright, so here. Mare.
No, it's a foal or a colt or filly. To date, how many U.S. presidents have won the Nobel Peace Prize?
4.
4.
Yes, which hormone regulates sleep in humans? And we won't have time for the answer to that, which is melatonin. Well done, Dinthill Technical, for your second minute. Jonathan Grant, coming over to you now. It's time for your third and final minute. In 2025, how many members served on the Norwegian Nobel Committee deciding to the Peace Prize winner? 5. Which mineral mainly strengthens bones and teeth in
Calcium.
humans? Yes. Which cloud type is associated with steady, prolonged rain?
Nimbus stratus.
Yes. What is music for a small group of instruments designed for an intimate setting called?
Ensemble.
No, chamber music. To the nearest whole number, what is the relative atomic mass of sulfur?
32.
Yes, what is the solution for x in the equation x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0?
X equals 3, S equals 2.
That's right. Who has been nominated for Best Actress in a leading role for the movie If I Had Legs, I Would Kick
Rose
You?
Byrne.
Yes, which Prussian leader engineered German unification through the so-called blood and iron?
Otto von Bismarck.
That's right. Which Jamaican athlete competed in the women's monobob at the 2026 Winter Olympics?
Mika Moore.
Yes. What is the value of the proton rest mass to 2 decimal places?
1.67 times 10 to the negative 27 kilograms.
That's right. What is the Spanish vivo lejos? And we won't have time for the Spanish. Well done, Jonathan Grant, for your third and final minute there. Dinthill Technical, coming back over to you now. It's time for your third and final minute. In meteorology, what term describes the state of the atmosphere when the air contains the maximum amount of water vapor it can hold at a given temperature?
Relative humidity.
Saturation. In music, what is the silence for one beat, indicating a pause in sound for the duration of 1/4 note? It's a crotchet rest. To the nearest whole number, what is the relative atomic mass of zinc?
Zinc 65.
65.
That's right. How many subsets does a set with 5 elements have?
32. 32.
That's right. Who has been nominated for Best Actress in a Supporting Role for the movie Weapons?
Amy Madigan. Amy Madigan.
That's right. What was the better-known name of the Russian revolutionary Lev Davidovich Trotsky?
Pass.
Leon Trotsky. In what overall position did Jamaica finish in the 4-man bobsled competition at the 2026 Winter Olympics?
21st.
Yes. What is the value of the electronic charge to 1 decimal place?
1.6 times 10 to negative 19 coulombs.
That's right. What does the Spanish El libro está detrás de la botella de agua mean?
The books are beside the vase of water.
The book is behind the bottle of water, but good effort there. Well done. Dinthill Technical, that's your third and final minute. That's the end of the speed challenge. Let's take a look at the scores. Jonathan Grant High are on 18 points. Dinthill Technical High on 21. Now it's time for a good word from True Milk. Involve your parents. Share your goals with them for encouragement. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting Buzzer Challenge. Stay with us. The second match in the best of 3 quarter-final series returns right after this.